In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Eclipse project to GitHub. We'll walk through a reliable, beginner-friendly path by following a public tutorial hosted on GitHub and use it as our guide. Start by opening your browser and navigating to the repository named How to Eclipse with GitHub. Once you're on that page, open the README. This document is the heart of the tutorial, and it explains how to connect Eclipse with GitHub from start to finish. Begin with the requirements section. Make sure you have Eclipse installed and that it supports Git. Many recent Eclipse packages include Git tooling, but if yours doesn't, don't worry. The tutorial covers installing it next. Move on to the section titled First Step. Install EGit in Eclipse. In Eclipse, go to Help, then Eclipse Marketplace. Search for EGit and install it. Restart Eclipse when prompted. This adds the Git integration you'll use for cloning, sharing, committing, and pushing. Next, open the section. Create a public RSA key in Eclipse. In Eclipse, go to Preferences, then General, Network Connections, SSH. Generate a new key pair if you don't already have one, and save the keys to the default location. Copy the public key to your clipboard. You'll use it in GitHub. Keep your private key secure and never share it. Now register your RSA key with GitHub. In GitHub, open your account settings, find SSH and GPG keys, and add a new SSH key. Paste the public key, give it a recognizable title, and save. This allows Eclipse to connect to GitHub over SSH without re-entering credentials. Continue with Create a new repository on GitHub. Give your repo a clear name and description. You can leave it empty if you plan to push an existing Eclipse project, or initialize it if you're starting fresh. Next, import the GitHub repository in Eclipse. In Eclipse, choose File, Import, Git, Projects from Git, then Clone URI. Use the SSH URL from your repository, select a local directory, and finish the wizard. If you're prompted to define a repository location after closing the clone message, pick a folder you can easily find, such as your home directory or a dedicated workspace. Keeping repos organized helps a lot over time. Open link Eclipse projects with your repository. Right-click your project, choose Team, Share Project, and select the Git repository you just cloned. Then upload source files to GitHub. Stage your changes, write a clear commit message, commit, and push to origin. Verify the files appear in your GitHub repository. You'll see the end in the guide, plus references and license for more details. And if you need quick navigation on GitHub, the Skip to Content link at the top helps you jump straight into the page content.